Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about how to do the factorization with the help of the difference of square method. Difference of square method, whenever you are doing the factorization by this method, this is the identity is applicable, that is a square minus b square. It means a minus b in one bracket and another parenthesis a plus b. This is the identity we need to apply, and we see how the terms could be converted into the square form, because unless we are not able to bring in this form, we couldn't apply this identity. So first we need to convert in this form. Like suppose if here it is written to factorize x square minus 4. Okay, this term is parallel to a square, you can say. Okay, but this term is parallel to b, but it is not in the form of b square. So this I need to convert in the form of b square. So 4 is the square of which number? I can write 4 equals to 2 square. So this part you need to work out. If it is not given in the square form, we need to convert it. So I am going to convert it x square minus 2 square. Now it is converted in the form of a square minus b square. So when it is converted in the a square minus b square, that is equals to a minus b and a plus b. So here a place what is there? X, and b place what is there? 2. So when you apply this identity, a is going to replace by x and b is going to replace by 2. So what I can write? X minus 2 in one parenthesis, and another parenthesis what I can write? X plus 2. So this is the way how we can factorize. Each and every term we need to convert in the square form. When you are able to convert in the square form, you can apply this identity. So first we need to work out on this form. Okay, like this is the first question. Now second is given like x to the power 6 minus 16. Okay, this 16 is a square of which number? 4 square. If I write 4 square, that's give you 16, correct? So this is going to be 4 square. But what about this? How this would be converted in the square form? Because power is 6, so I can write like this. I'm going to write, because power to the power get multiplied. When it multiplied, 3 times 2 is going to be 6. So 6 what I can write? X cube and whole power 2. Why? Because outside we need the square, and this is going to be 4 square. So a is going to be over here what? X cube, and b is going to be over here 4, correct? Now I can apply the identity a square minus b square, a minus b and a plus b. So a place is x cube minus 4 and another place is x cube plus 4. Okay, now third first we work out on something. Like suppose if it is written x root x square, that means what? Root x into root x. Okay, it means what? We can write the square root property. Okay, this x is repeating 2 times, so going to be x. So whenever you are doing this square of the square root term, that will give you a number. Now number which is inside the square root sign. If I write root 2 square, then that is going to come 2. If I am going to write root 3 square, then that's going to be 3. How it is going to come? Because root 2 square. Root 2 means what? This means what? 2 to the power half, and outside power is ultimately 2. So the power get multiplied, half times 2. So this 2 is cancel out, and then what is coming up? 2. or whenever in the simple way you can say whenever you do the square of a square root form, that is going to give you the number, the square root sign will get over and it exactly will come out the number which is inside. Okay, now if I say factorize this x square minus 2, this I need to factor out. So this part is in the square form but this is not. So how the 2 we can write in the square form? So this is the practice when you will be doing the question, then only you can do. If I write root 2 square, that is going to come 2. So I need this number in the square form. To write this number in the square form, how we can write the square root 2 square, because root 2 square will give you 2. So at the place of 2 what I can write? Root 2 square, because we need this part to apply the identity. So I am going to write x square minus root 2 square. Now I can apply the identity. The a is going to be x and the b is going to be root 2. When you apply the identity, it is going to be x minus root 2 and another is going to be x plus root 2. Now suppose the question is simplify x plus 2 upon x square minus 4. Okay, so like this is already given in the simplified form. Okay, but this here we can apply the identity, the difference square property we can apply, just now we have seen, and we can simplify. So first upper part is going to be the same. In the bottom part, when you factorize 2 square, correct? Now we can apply the identity. When you apply the identity, so this is going to be x minus 2 and x plus 2, correct? Now this and this part is same, so cancel out. What is going to come? 1 upon x minus 2. So this how we have solved it out. So this kind of factorization you have seen. One more question I will be doing in this video. Like suppose if it is given x square minus 5 square, how you factorize? The a place is given a, x, and the b place is given y. This is already given in the square form, so directly we can apply the identity. A minus b means x minus y, and another brackets is going to be x plus y. So this is the difference of a square method. We have done the factorization. We see the more questions in the next video. Thank you.